Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start a new chapter. Food is life. Students, food is very important part of our life. And why we say that? I want to take some examples from that. I will explain it. Good food, good health. Everyone knows? Dr. Gupta has two patients, Dia and Abhilash. You can see them in pictures. Dr. Gupta talked to them to find out more about their disease. When he asked from Dia, then she told about it that she often falls sick and so many times she is feeling not much active also. And in appearance wise, she is 5 years old but looks about 3 years old only. She has thin arms and legs and pot belly also. Pot belly means stomach like a pot. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly also. What food she take? She is lucky if she can get a little rice or one bread in a whole day. Imagine students. That means she is not much rich. She is a poor girl. Now we talk about Abhilash. He is 7 years old but looks older than his age. He is fat and not very active due to his fattiness or flabbiness. He has pain in his legs. Tell me why he is having? Because his weight is more. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. Some of you also do this. Now, food. He does not like homemade food. Like dal roti, vegetables, he don't want to eat. The only thing that he finds tasty, chips, pizza, burger, whatever he can buy from the market. Is it good? No, it's not good for him. Dr. Gupta measured height and weight of both the children and then she told them there is only one solution for both your problems. What is that? Proper food. Dia, because she is not getting proper nutrition, she feels tired and he is suffering from obesity. Obesity means the excess amount of food that is containing more fats in that he is taking. Now what question comes in your mind? What is proper food? Now we'll discuss about our chapter. Proper food means in that all the nutrients should be present in adequate amount. Adequate means correct amount, whatever our body needed. A diet that contains all the nutrients in correct amount along with water and roughage. We'll discuss about it also. It's called balanced diet. Most of you have learned this thing in your third class also. Nutrients found in our food. Students, those nutrients only gives you energy and protects you from diseases and help you to grow also. In that, if we categorize, carbohydrates and fats will give you energy. Proteins build your muscle. Vitamins and minerals protect you from diseases. Now, we'll discuss it in details. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy. We get them from sugar and starchy food. Foods such as rice, potato, wheat, maize contain a lot of carbohydrate. You can see in the picture, those things are present. Fats give you more energy than carbohydrates, and excess fat is stored beneath your skin. Even you are not doing anything, but even that it is being stored there. Now, different types of oils, butter, ghee, especially nuts like almonds, you can say that your cashew nut also, that are the rich sources of fats. Even your chocolate. Okay. Bodybuilding nutrients. It builds your muscles. It help in growth of our body. Every day we grow day by day. How students? Because we are taking protein in our diet. It also repair damaged part of our body. Sometimes you injured. That time your particular wound is properly repaired by itself. So many times doctor says that you should take more amount of protein in your diet. Why? Because protein repair that particular damaged part of your body. Egg, milk, fish, pulses, nuts, beans are rich sources of protein. You can see in the picture also. Now we talk about protective nutrients, vitamins and minerals that help our body to fight against diseases. Actually, it gives you particular power that fight against those diseases. Your fruits, vegetables, every day if you are taking, that keeps you very healthy. It required in small quantities for good health and growth. Food items such as milk and milk products, green leafy vegetables, and fruits are rich sources of various vitamins and minerals. Sometimes you listen this, eat an apple in a day and that keeps doctor away. Why? Because it gives you some vitamin. Students, you have seen variety of foods around you. Why you are eating that variety of food? Actually, that is a gift of God for you, student. That gives you something. Some particular food gives you a small amount of carbohydrate but more amount of proteins. Sometimes a fruit gives you vitamin and other kind of mineral also. Milk is called complete food. Why? Because it gives almost all the nutrients for your body. Is it clear? So drink milk every day. Now, not only eating is important, but also digesting is important. And who will help you out in digesting those food? Because without digesting, you are not getting energy. So, water and roughage are there to help you out in this case. Water makes up nearly 70% of your body weight and help you to digest your food. Whatever the waste material in your body you are having, that will be easily removed through water also. Roughage, the fiber present in vegetables and fruit, that is called roughage. Students, anytime you notice that white thread like structure is present into oranges that contain more amount of fiber in that helps you to get rid of the undigested food. Salads also do the same work in your body. Now, one more thing comes in our mind, that why we cook our food. We can eat raw also. Why we are not eating? Some of the food items we can eat raw, but sometimes it doesn't give us taste. Like you want to eat potato raw, sometimes it doesn't give you taste, but when you cook it, then it gives you so much taste in that. Actually, students, cooking kills the germs present in food and protects us from diseases. It also adds flavor and aroma to the food, which makes it much more enjoyable to eat. Okay? Read these topics from your EVS book. Stay home, stay safe, students. Rest part of this chapter we'll discuss in next lecture. Thank you, students.